Did you know that nearly 80% of the world's population relies on herbal medicine for some aspect of their primary health care? This astonishing statistic, reported by the World Health Organization, reveals just how integral plants and natural remedies are to our collective well-being. In an age where modern pharmaceuticals dominate the shelves, herbal medicine continues to thrive, not only as an ancient tradition, but also as a growing movement for those seeking gentle, effective, and holistic alternatives. Herbal medicine, sometimes called botanical medicine or phytotherapy, is the art and science of using plants and plant extracts to promote health and treat disease. Its roots stretch back thousands of years, spanning continents and cultures, from the ancient Egyptians and Greeks to practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda in India. For centuries, people have turned to the natural world for healing, harnessing the power of leaves, roots, flowers, and seeds. Today, interest in herbal medicine is surging, as concerns about side effects, antibiotic resistance, and the limitations of conventional treatments mount. More and more people are exploring natural remedies. Whether it's a cup of chamomile tea to ease anxiety or a turmeric latte for inflammation, herbal medicine offers a diverse toolkit for everyday health challenges. But what drives this renewed passion for plant-based remedies? Many of us encounter health issues that prompt a search for solutions beyond the pharmacy. Chronic stress, insomnia, digestive troubles, mild pain, seasonal allergies, and skin concerns are just a few of the common complaints that lead people to natural medicine. The appeal is clear. Herbs often have fewer side effects, can be tailored to individual needs, and offer a sense of empowerment over our health. However, the world of herbal medicine can be overwhelming for beginners. Walk into any health food store or browse online, and you'll find shelves lined with tinctures, teas, capsules, and salves. Which herbs are best for your needs? How do you use them safely and effectively? Let's unravel some of this complexity by exploring a handful of popular herbs that are easy to incorporate into everyday life. Let's begin with chamomile, a gentle flower well known for its calming properties. Traditionally used as a tea, chamomile is a go-to remedy for anxiety and sleeplessness. Its mild sedative effects can help quiet a racing mind, making it a perfect bedtime companion. Simply steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 minutes. In addition to promoting restful sleep, chamomile can also soothe digestive discomfort and ease mild menstrual cramps. Next, consider ginger, a spicy root with a long history in both culinary and medicinal traditions. Ginger is celebrated for its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory effects. Whether you're dealing with motion sickness, morning sickness, or an upset stomach, ginger tea or chews can provide quick relief. You can slice fresh ginger root and steep it in boiling water, or add powdered ginger to smoothies and stir-fries for a healthful kick. Ginger also supports circulation and immune function, making it a staple in many herbal medicine cabinets. Turmeric is another powerhouse, famous for its vibrant yellow color and potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound curcumin is studied for its ability to fight inflammation, support joint health, and protect against chronic disease. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, or golden milk, a soothing spiced beverage made with milk or plant-based alternatives. For better absorption, pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Peppermint is a refreshing herb with a cooling effect on the body. It's often used to ease headaches, muscle tension, and digestive complaints like bloating or irritable bowel syndrome. Peppermint tea is a simple way to enjoy its benefits, or you can use diluted peppermint essential oil as a topical rub for sore muscles and tension headaches. Always remember to dilute essential oils properly to avoid skin irritation. Finally, let's talk about echinacea, a North American native plant renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Echinacea is commonly taken at the first sign of a cold to help the body fight off infection. While research results are mixed, many people find it shortens the duration and severity of colds. You can find echinacea in teas, tinctures, and capsules. Follow dosage instructions carefully, and note that it's best used for short-term support. As you begin your herbal journey, remember a few key tips. Start simple, with 1 or 2 herbs at a time, so you can observe how your body responds. Consult reputable sources, such as books by trained herbalists or guidance from a qualified healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take prescription medications. Herbal remedies are not one-size-fits-all, and some herbs can interact with medications or cause allergic reactions. To illustrate the transformative power of herbal medicine, let's look at the story of Sarah, a busy mother of 2 who struggled with chronic stress and insomnia. Overwhelmed by work and family demands, Sarah found herself reaching for over-the-counter sleep aids, which left her groggy and unrefreshed. After consulting with an herbalist, she began a nightly ritual of sipping chamomile and lemon balm tea, practicing deep breathing and journaling. Within weeks, Sarah reported falling asleep more easily, waking up rested, and feeling more present for her family. For her, the gentle, cumulative effects of herbal medicine were life-changing, a reminder that natural remedies can nurture both body and spirit. To recap, herbal medicine is an ancient yet ever-evolving practice, trusted by billions worldwide. As a beginner, you can start with simple, well-known herbs like chamomile, ginger, turmeric, peppermint, and echinacea, each with unique benefits and uses. Herbal remedies can be a powerful complement to conventional healthcare, helping you address common complaints, build resilience, and reconnect with the healing power of nature. If you're curious to learn more about natural remedies, holistic health, and practical tips for everyday wellness, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey into herbal medicine is just beginning, and together, we'll explore the wonders of the natural world, one remedy at a time.